This was the class 1 denture that we have designed with the RPI Clasp System on the premolars in the third and the fourth quadrant. So the RPI system has a mesial rest. It has a proximal plate attached to the distal surface of the abutment, as well as the gingivally approaching eye bar on both of these premolars. And on the model, this will be what it will look like. There is a mesial rest on the premolar. We've got a proximal plate on the distal surface of the abutment of the premolar and the gingivally approaching eye bar. In the third quadrant, we've got the RPI system, and here again we have a gingivally approaching clasp. So on a metal framework, this will be the gingivally approaching clasp that is constructed of chrome cobalt, and the RPI system, which has the gingivally approaching eye bar. It has the distal proximal plate as well as the mesial rest on a class 1 partial denture.